What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw in the previous video, I blew up the engine in Badmaro at FL2K. I got the engine out right here. I'm gonna tear it down and we'll see what got damaged and see what's reusable and all that good stuff. I'm gonna put the camera up over here and do a quick teardown. Alright guys, you saw in the last video of me tearing down the engine on Badmaro. I'm here on a Saturday. I'm finishing it off, trying to give you guys a little bit more detail of what happened and what we think happened. I talked to a few buddies of mine and we kind of investigated a little bit more. I did have oil pressure issues. That was the case, but I think there was more to it. There was no log on the path, so it's hard to tell, but with the damage that happened, we can kind of get an idea of exactly what happened. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit more detail to this engine that I tore apart here. Alright, so the oil pressure was dropping down through a pass. You could see on the bearings how hot it got. This is the rod that broke here. Now, in that case, here's the rod and the piston that broke, and you saw on the rods how hot they got. Obviously that's all pressure there. So found on that cylinder, the bottom of the head got beat to death, and flip this around real quick. The sleeve broke. Okay, now we were thinking, now I hit the scramble button, which should have been 4 pounds, which would have been, you know, probably around 32, 33-ish pounds of boost. It is a stock sleeve 6-liter standard bore. Now, the piece of the sleeve is missing. So obviously it got beat up on the bottom of the cylinder head. But now we were thinking, if a rod would have broke, and that actually would stop the piston from moving. So we think the sleeve broke first, and you can see, if you could see in the video really well, right there where it started cracking the block there, and some areas over right on there. So you know, there's a possibility the sleeve could have went first and then the rod. We're trying to, you know, feel a little bit better about the situation, I guess, because, you know, it is a standard 6.0 Trailblazer SS aluminum block with stock sleeves, and the power that I was pushing was pretty pretty on the limit for the sleeve, but you know, let me know what you guys think, comment below. But that's pretty much what we're finding. I did pull the cam out. The cam looked a little rough. Lifters look pretty good. They're Johnson lifters, so they are rebuildable. They didn't look too bad. Just metal that got tossed around is really the main concern. All the other cylinders, I didn't see any cracks in the sleeves or anything. It was just mainly the front two cylinders that got the most heat to them. One rod broke, obviously took out both sides of the block. Window there. But anyways, next motor I'm building is going to be obviously a dart and sleeve motor. I may put a 5.3 aluminum motor in it just to make the Christmas tree race, but I'm not sure yet, so stay tuned, guys. This engine down, and I'll put this video together. Let me show you guys too. Yeah, all of them, every cylinder looked all right. It looked like it was a little bit of pitting, but I think it was metal that got tossed around through the when it blew up. But like I said, there's no log on that pass, so it's hard to tell. The motor could have leaned out, cracked the sleeve, and then through the rod from it getting so hot with the oil pressure. So anyways, hope you like this video. Like I said, like and subscribe for more videos to come. Comment below what you think. Most people are going to say sleeve that are into this, that know from experiences. And yeah, hope you guys like these videos, and I'm going to try to continue to do more. And see you guys next video. Thank you.